everyone, welcome to CIS Academy. Today I am going to show you how to connect Oracle database using Maven dependency. Let's get started. Let's open your Oracle database. See, this is my Oracle database. Here, first I will create one table. I will give the table name as student info. And I will give 3 columns. I give the column name ID, name and email. ID is of the type number and name is of the type varchar and email also varchar. Now click on next. Click on create. See here, we got the table. Inside this table, still we don't have any data. Now, I will write the Java code to connect this table. Now, open your Eclipse IDE and create the project here. To create the project, click on this file, click on this Maven project. Here I am going to create a simple project. So I am clicking on this checkbox, create simple project, and then click on next. Here I need to give the group ID, artifact ID, name and description. I will give the group ID as com.example.demo and artifact ID as Oracle JDBC con. And name also Oracle JDBC con. If you want to give a description, you can give here. I won't give any description. Then I will click on finish. Look at here, we got the project. This is our project structure. Inside this source/main/java folder, I need to create one package. I will give the package name as com.demo. Inside this package, I will create one class. I will give the class name as test and I will click on this checkbox, public static void main. Then click on finish. I got the class now. Before writing code here, I will go to pom.xml file. Here we need to add the dependency. To get a dependency, we need to visit the Maven repository. Go to your browser. Search here for the Maven repository. Click on this link. Here, to get a Oracle dependency, we need to search as OJDBC8. Then click on search. Click on this. See here we have different versions. I will go to this one, first one, and copy this. This is the dependency. Copy this. Now go to your Eclipse IDE. Here inside this dependencies tag, we need to add the dependency. Paste your dependency, what we copied now, that we have to paste here. And make this scope as a runtime, because we need to load our Oracle driver at the runtime. So we need to make this scope as runtime. Now save this file. Now go to this test.java class. Here we need to write the code. I will create 3 variables to hold the password, URL and the username. I will write the URL now. URL is jdbc:/oracle:/thin:/ 2/localhost colon 1521/exe express. After that my database username is system and then password is root. Now I need to load the driver. To load the driver I need to write the code as class.forName inside this forName method I need to pass the driver. I gave the driver name as oracle.jdbc.oracledriver. Class is a class name. Inside that class I have the method called forName. This method takes one parameter that is the your driver. That driver will be loaded at the runtime. Now this will showing one error because I need to surround this within the try catch block. Now click on this surround with try catch. After that, if this statement execute properly, I need to get to know that if that statement is executed or not. So I will give one print statement here. I will give the print statement as driver is loaded successfully. Once after that loading driver, we need to make a connection. To make a connection, I need to use driver manager dot get connection. This get connection method will take three parameters. One is URL, username and the password. Now this method will return one connection object. So I need to collect that object here. Now I need to surround this line also inside the try catch block. I already added the try catch. Now I will add only one catch clause. Now I will write another print statement. See here I wrote the print statement as connection is successful with the driver. Con will contain the connection object. Now I will save this file and I will run this. Click on run as Java application. See here we got the output. Driver is loaded successfully and connection is successful with Oracle jdbc.driver. And this is the database address it is. Now the connection is successful, but I need to insert one rows of data. Then I will get to know that data also is getting inserted in that table. So I will write the code to insert the data into the table. To insert the data, I need to first write the query. Now I need to create one statement. Using the connection object, I am going to create the statement here. Con dot create statement. This will return one statement object. I need to connect inside the statement. Using this statement object, I need to execute the query. This execute method will take the query as an input and then save this file. Now run this. Run as Java application. We got the output. Driver is loaded successfully. Connection is successful. Now let's check into the database. Refresh here. Then go to this data. See, one rows of data is got inserted. Now let's insert another rows of data. I will change here only. I change the data as ID as 102, name as Raj and raj@gmail.com. Now I will run this code. Now let's check into the database. See, another rows of data is got inserted. Now I done with connecting Oracle database using Maven dependency. If you like this video, Please hit a like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.